Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can paste in Notability on iPad. Now you can use a simple tap and hold gesture or your iPad system shortcut. So let's go and ensure you have already copied something, text and image. So I will tap and hold, and now as you can see I can copy this. Now that I have copied this, I can go here somewhere, and now I can hold and paste an image, and here we go. I now have this one in another note. Okay, so then we have more. If you want to try to paste text into a specific spot, you can tap the text tool right here, and tap once at the screen to create a text box, just like that. Tap the cursor inside the text box once more to bring up the system menu. Select all, and you can select paste, just like that. All right. So then you have iPad system gestures. So if you have gestures enabled in your iPad settings, you can use 3-finger pinch out. So you can place fingers on the screen and spread them apart, the opposite of pitch, to paste whatever uh, is on your clipboard. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next